Hello friends, welcome to Input Output YouTube channel. So friends, today we'll discuss about a very important questions, which is a number of selective arrangements. So friends, this question has came several times in Nagarro Coding Test. So this question is also very important for other competitive exams on campus and off campus coding exam. So today we'll discuss about this problem and solve the problem using C++ language. So friends, before going to solve the problem, I want to tell you something. If you still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe it now, because it will be very helpful for your upcoming examinations. So if you given an input like 2, the output will be 1. So here the explanation is, if you are given an input n equals to 2, so you can choose two numbers. Suppose the 0 and 1 is chosen, and you have to arrange these numbers. So the possible arrangement of these numbers will be 1 0 and 0 1 will be also the possible arrangements, but here we'll write only 1 0, because 0 1 will not be the possible arrangement, because our original elements was 0 and 1. So 0 was in the first position and 1 was in the second position. So our possible arrangements will be in such a way that in the first position there will be no 0, because 0's original position is first. So in the first column there will be no 0, and in the second column there will be no 1, because in the second column the element was 1. Okay, so our possible arrangement is 1 0, so our output will be 1. So this is basically a permutation. You can solve it using permutations. See more examples. So we'll see more examples to understand these questions. So our second example is given as our input is n equals to 3 and our output will be 2, because n equals to 3. So you can choose three numbers. Suppose our numbers are 0, 1 and 2. So in the first column the original element is 0. So in our possible arrangements, in the first column no 0 will be there. So similarly in the second column there will be no 1, and in the third column there will be no 2. So our possible arrangements will be 2 0 1 and 1 2 0. So this is the possible arrangements, so our output will be 2. So we can see another example. So in example 3, our input is n equals to 4. So we can choose four numbers. Suppose 0 1 2 3. In the first column 0 is present, so in our possible arrangements there will be no 0 in the first column. So you can see there is 1 2 and 3, but no 0 in the first column. So similarly in the second column there will be no 1, in the third column there will be no 2, and in the fourth column there will be no 3. So our possible arrangement are this, and these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we can arrange these in the 9 different way. So our output will be 9. Okay friends, hope you understand the questions. So you can solve it using recursively using this formula, f of I equals to I minus 1 into a of I minus 1 plus a of I minus 2. So this is a recursive function, and the solution is very simple and very easy to understand. So I'll write the code. So here we'll write the basic formats of the C++ language. So no, first we'll write as include bits standard C++.h using namespace standard, and first function we'll write here is integer function. So int main, and in the main function there will be, you can see, okay, you can see here our input is n equals to 4. So This is single input and integer input, and our output is an integer. So here we'll take an input from the user using scene. So scene n, and we'll output. So we'll write a function here, suppose arrange arrange, and we'll pass this number n. So we have to write this arrange function here, and the return type will be integer. So arrange int arrange, and inside this we'll write the int n. So first we'll declare an array of size n plus 1. So int array, the name of the array is a, and size is array of n plus 1, and we'll initialize the whole array to 0. So in the first position, okay, array of 1 will be suppose 0, and array of 2 will be 1. Okay, so this is initialization. So we'll write a for loop and iterate it from I equals to 3 to n. So let's write it. So for int I equals to 3, I less equals to n, I plus plus. So inside this we'll just write the recursive function. So array of I equals to I minus 1 into array of, so we'll write this inside the bracket, array of I minus 1 plus array of I minus 2. So that's it, and finally we'll return. So finally we'll return array of n. So now we'll run the program and we'll see if it compiles or not. So it's compiling. Okay, it's successfully compiled. So here our input was n equals to 4 and our output was none. So we'll give, so friends, our output is 9. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching this video.